Now we will learn about the usage of article the. The is called the definite article, as I told you earlier also. We use it before a particular person or thing. For example, I will wear the silk dress that I got on my birthday. Now, which dress? The one that I got on my birthday. So, that particular dress. So, the is used before the silk dress. We also use the with a particular kind or class of nouns. For example, the tiger fish is one of the most dangerous sea fish. Here, tiger fish denotes the particular kind or class. And why we are using the before most dangerous? Because most is the superlative degree. Much, more, most. So, most is the superlative degree and before that we use the. When we refer to a noun for the first time, we use the indefinite article, and when we refer them again, we use the. For example, Hansel and Gretel saw a house. The house was made of candy. So, here we are using in first sentence we have used before house a, and in the second sentence before house we use the. Why there is a difference? Because for in the first sentence just we are saying that Hansel and Gretel saw a house. We are just talking in general. But when we talk about the same house again which Hansel and Gretel saw, that means that particular house, the specific house which we are talking about, which they saw. So we use the. That house was made of candy which Hansel and Gretel saw. Now, the is used before special names such as names of rivers, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, famous buildings, and newspapers. For example, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Qutub Minar. The is used before the names of things that are one of a kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the solar system, the star, the planets, etc. Why we use the? Because these are heavenly bodies. So we use the before that. The is also used before the holy books. For example, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Gita. These are the books of religious book of different religions, holy books. So we use the before that. The is also used before with superlatives and ordinals. Superlatives, as I told you earlier also, again I am telling you, this is the best news I have ever heard. Here before best, what we use? The. So best is a here superlative degree. Good, better, best. So best is a superlative. So we use the before that. And what do you mean by ordinals? Ordinals means when we talk about numbers, for example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. So in the second sentence or in the second example, we see we will arrive on the 5th of May. So before 5th, which is written in italic, we use the, because 5th is ordinals. The is also used with single, common or proper noun to represent a class or group. For example, the class waited quietly for the teacher. Now here the class means the group of children. So it is a group and it represents a class or a group of children, and that's why you use the before that. Second example, the jury was firm on its decision. Now here jury means the group of or the group of judges, or so we use the before that. So these are the some rules where we use the definite article the. Thank you. Thank you.